Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you some awesome Visual Studio extensions that you can use for improving the productivity in your code. So let's start the video. So the first extension I wanted to tell you is CSS Peak. You can use this extension to get the CSS or the styling of a class or an ID. So if you hover on any of the class or any of the ID by clicking on control, then you can see the styling of that class or that ID. So this is very good when you're working and you wanted to see like the styling, what the styling is, and you can also go to that CSS file as well if you want. So this is a very good extension you can use. The other one is better comment. So you can use this extension, this one, which has 3.2 million downloads. What this will do is it will highlight your comments in different colors. So if you want to make the comments as an alert, so you can write it by adding exclamation symbol and then it will be in red color. If you want to show some information or to do kind of thing, then you can add these question marks and to do words. So this is a very good extension when you are using comments and you want to highlight those comments, because comments are very helpful when you are working in a team. So that's why you should definitely try this one. The other one is Prettier. I'm sure you are aware about this because it is very famous extension. So what this will do is it will reformat your code, which means it will automatically indent your code and automatically manage the spacing between them. So you can definitely try this one because it is also a good extension. The other one is relative path. You can use this one because it will give you the power to get the relative paths of a file or uh, any file you want. So for example, if you want to add some file into your code or into your file, then you can import it directly by using this relative path extension. So it will automatically import that. So this is a very good extension. You can try this one and study about this, like how you can install it in this guide. Then this will work for you better. The other extension is import cost. You can use this one because it will give you the file size of that import cost. This one, the first one. This will give you the size of the imported files. Like if you are importing any file which is larger, then it will warn you that this file size is very large. So this one is very good. So you can see that it is saying 70 KB size. So it will give you the size of that file which you are importing in your like JavaScript file or anywhere. So the other one is Markdown All in One. You can use this one. What this will do is this one, it will give you some shortcut keys that will be very good if you are using for it for auto import or for auto preview table of contents. It has many features, so you can try this one and study about its feature by reading this guide. This will give you some shortcut keys that you can use for like importing and for other, like for auto previewing for other that. So you can use this one. This will be a very good extension if you try this one. So these are some extensions I wanted to tell you about. So I hope you understood something, and we'll thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet in the another one.